Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to have a look at the Swiss cut HSS M35 titanium coated cutter for the GL-888 and the GL-368. Comes in a nice little box like this, nice colour, dark in colour, nice little plastic bag, and here we are, Swiss cut. And the part number is 0012 plus titanium. Not a bad cutter. Nice and strong. This is not your cheaper cutter that basically wear out. This is one you put on and you'll have on for a couple of years. Now, when you look at this cutter here, you can see the angle of it. You've got a slight bit of a cutting angle on this side, but this is the side that does all the good stuff. So you can go a little bit, but you're mainly going one direction. I'll give you some specs on it, just so you can know that you're purchasing the right thing. Our calipers out. Our center bore is 20 mil. Our thickness here, 5.97, and our overall diameter, which also can be adjusted via your guide, we've got about 70 mil. So not a bad cutter. Look, if you're interested in buying a cutter that's going to last for a while and do exactly what you want and not have to worry about it, that's why I'd go with the extra titanium coating. Swiss cut, it's a good brand, it's reliable. I've used them on all my chem machines, had no issues, and also it's a lot cheaper than sometimes buying originals. Originals from like some manufacturers are quite expensive. From Gladaid, they're not actually too expensive. We sell quite a few of their key machines. They're priced pretty well. I just prefer this one because it's titanium coated, and you put it on there once and you're good to go. So there's the part numbers for it, for the GL-888 and the GL-368, available from drlock.com.au. Purchase it online, we'll send it out to you. It's quite small packaging, so it'll fit in like one of those envelopes. You can express it if you wish, purchase online, and we'll send it out all across Australia. Thanks for watching.